Let's start filling. Hey guys! Normally in outings, kids love to have yummy food. Some places are KFC, McDonald's, Burger King, and so many more restaurants. But one restaurant that I love the most is Taco Bell, and my favorite dish there, Chalupas. Mexican food is loved all around the world and is super popular. Some common dishes are burritos, tacos, chalupas, quesadillas, etc. Tacos is a traditional Mexican snack made using corn tortillas. They are very versatile and you can add any fillings to it. For example, chicken, seafood, veggies, etc. Today, I'm going to be making tacos and I'll be using the Salsalito Taco Shells. They also have their own recipe, so I'm going to be trying that out too. As for the recipe, these are the ingredients: chopped potatoes, chopped onions, 3 colors of bell peppers, red, yellow and green. They have asked for tofu, but I am using paneer. We also have coriander leaves, chopped garlic and the taco shells. And of course, how can we forget the taco seasoning mix, which gives that taste to the tacos. Let's begin with the tacos. First, let's start off with the filling. Let's add oil to the pan. Potatoes, cook until brown. The potatoes are a brown color. Garlic. The garlic enhances the flavor of the filling. Now stir fry for 1 minute. Onions. Bell pepper. Cook for around 3 to 4 minutes. It shouldn't be overcooked. It should still have that nice crunch. Looks very colorful, right? Paneer. Instead of paneer, you can add tofu too. Next, let's add taco seasoning mix. Salsito's taco seasoning mix. Let's add. Saute. Smells good. Add coriander leaves and switch off. The box includes 12 taco shells, but I'm only using 3. The instruction says that you have to either microwave or bake them for a few seconds. But I microwave them for a few seconds. Let's start filling. Fill the tacos with the filling. And finally, I'm going to drizzle on them some Salsalito salsa dip. I love salsa dip. I always have it with nachos and really enjoy it. Now our yummy tacos are ready and we use Salsito's taco shells and the yummy recipe. Now the special time of all, taste time! I have no words to explain how tasty it is. And I love it. It is just like the tacos found in Taco Bell. It's amazing. And I just simply love it. Thank you very much for watching this video. And thank you Salsito for making it super easy to make these yummy tacos. Thank you for watching KitchenTube HD. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KitchenTube. Bye! Mwah.